boys and girls. This is Dane at JONAH Guitars. I am doing a giveaway today. I think this is the first time I've ever done that. I've always told myself I don't want to build a channel from giving stuff away, and I feel like I'm deep enough into this that I'm not building it. I just don't need a couple of these fret benders. I'm keeping this one. I just acquired a bunch of tools. It wasn't an estate sale. It was just a guy just decided he wasn't going to build guitars anymore. He's got other hobbies. So I was able to get quite a few nice things. Side bender included with the blanket and the metal slats. Bunch of stuff, and I might start pointing out stuff as I go. This fret bender came from that purchase. And I thought, well, I already have a fret bender I'm really happy with, and that's this one here. This is a great fret bender. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. And the only reason that I'm even doing this is how many can I use? I'm a one-man shop. I don't need to have a whole bunch of benders hanging out. And then this is another bender I acquired in a multiple tool purchase kind of situation. And at friend of the channel, Eddie Wellman, actually, this is a homemade one, obviously, but I checked it out and it looks very functional to me. So it's better than the one that I had homemade before I bought this one. I used the same one I had built, just a chunk of MDF with some rollers on it. This is a little nice, more nicely done for sure, and it's adjustable. You have to loosen the wing nuts here on the back, and then this handle slides, or the rollers rather, the top rollers slide in and out depending on how much you need. How much bend you need. So it's not difficult. I just tested it out, actually. I hadn't used it yet because I had this one. I actually just looked up the cost on this one. I bought this from Philadelphia Luthier Supply, and it's $65. So this isn't a cheap tool, and it's very adjustable. It has a wing nut that you just loosen, and then you have the little wheel on top that you can adjust up or down. And this moves with the big wheel up or down, and it doesn't take a lot once you're close. A little teeny bit of adjustment, and you'll increase the radius by quite a bit. So at any rate, and then this one says right on it, G-Tech Guitar Works, and I looked it up, and it goes for about $150. And it looks like it's a little nicer tool. So I decided to hang on to this tool, and the adjustment here, you loosen the wheel and all that. Anyway, I'm not giving this one away. I am giving away, however, the Philadelphia Luthier Supply one with a retail value of $65. And then I'm going to go ahead and give away the handmade one because I don't need it either. So the way I'm going to do that is this is a U.S. thing only. Sorry, you friends to the north and across the pond, but this is going to be a U.S. only. I'm going to pay the shipping, and the tool is completely free. So if I decide that you're the one that's going to get the tool, it will be completely free. Just one rule, basically, or two rules. You need to be a subscriber. So, number one, you need to be a subscriber. Number two, you need to just comment and say, I would like that tool. And if you want to say why you deserve it, go right ahead. I'm not going to do a random number generator thing. That would make me have to actually make a list and number you and all that, unless I just had you pick a number out of the air and then randomly generate a number and see who got closest to it. But I'm just going to pick it on, the luck of the draw. If I feel like sending you a tool, when you comment, I will send you a tool, and it's not going to cost you a thing. And I guess the third proviso would be you need to be willing to give me your address. So that's it. Be a subscriber, comment that you want the tool, and then you'll have to follow through once I contact you or mention in a video who it was. And once you do that, then I'll just pick somebody and we'll get it over. I think that's it. All right, so recap. 3 qualifications, basically. That you're a subscriber to the channel, that you make a comment and I pick you, and 3, that you are willing to give me your address and we can communicate in whatever fashion that you feel safe with. You can go to my email, which is on the About page on my YouTube channel, and email me. Yeah, if you're good with putting your phone number in the comment, I can just call you. Whatever, however you like. You'll figure it out, I guess, if you get the tool. So anyway, that's it. Good luck to y'all. Take care.